What do you mean they're not taking a ride home?
They don't have a plane ride home. This is what I'm giving to Alma.
We're on camera. And I sounded stupid last time. Do you remember how to turn the spotlight on? Hi.
I don't.
Oh, it's somewhere in the menu. Yeah, I'll turn that on. Let's see what it does. Oh, he's going to come for the camera now. Yeah.
Hi.
You don't need the camera. You don't. You don't. This is now no longer a standing video. Griffin.
Well, it will be in just a sec.
Oh. This is Griffin's new. And I think he's been gnawing. Oh, everyone, Griffin has a tooth today. It's just a tiny little nub, but it cut through and I felt it this morning.
Look at that standing.
And look at that. And so I think he's been chewing on this spoon the last few days with his tooth. Standing and a tooth at 7.5 months. Yeah. Although he's been standing for about a week, but. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Body check. Body check. So he's dressed up because we're going to go hang out at the opera today with Mama for the matinee. Yeah. Yeah. Look at these little trousers. Have I shown any of you the cute pockets on his bum? Look at that. Look at that. Come on, those are cute. Those are cute. Yeah. Those are cute. I'm still going to sound like an idiot. Oh, well. Expensive toys, people, are nothing compared with the spoon. I always refer to you guys as people in these videos. I don't know why.
Oh, what'd you refer to?
I don't know.
Animals?
I don't know.